So we have another integration question here. We have it with negative powers, and just by looking at it, we know it's going to be power rule all the way through. So let's go ahead and solve. This. So we have w to the power -2. I'm just going to add 1 to that. -2 plus 1 plus 10w -5 plus 1, and then divided by that 2. And then since 8 is a constant, and when we're integrating constants, we just add x. Well, not x, but w in our case, because that's the variable we're using. And let's go ahead and complete this. So that's just going to give us -1 over -1 plus 10 over w, -4 divided by -4, and minus 8w because we already integrated that, plus c. We can simplify this further so it looks mathematically better. So we have an imaginary 1 here, which we don't write. So 1 divided by -1 is just negative w to the power -1. And then 10 divided by -4 is negative 5 over 2, which is a fraction. So we could write it as a fraction. W to the power -4. And we already integrated 8, which is just -8w plus c. So yeah, pretty decent negative power question. And if you know how to solve this, then you should be fine for the power rules. So yeah, that's how you solve this question.